Stop by and take a look at the 2010 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power lift gate, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, backup camera, air conditioning, Bluetooth. Your new ride is just a phone call away.